Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this gold paracord Type I, the black paracord also Type I, gold paracord 550, and for our bracelet core or a base we're gonna use the black paracord also 550. The full tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description of this video. And if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, you can also find the full tutorial into the top right corner information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna proceed. So we're gonna take our feed and we're gonna insert our gold strand into the bracelet core. So from the top through the cow's hitches. And also here we're gonna pass our or pull our black paracord Type I. So now I'm gonna take the ends of our gold paracord, pull them together, so we'll have the equal length on the both sides, left and the right one. Now from here we're gonna take our gold and we're gonna pass it between the first and the second core strand, so from the top through and to the back, and the same on the left side, so between the first and the second core strand from the left side, from the top through and to the back, like so. Now we're just left to insert our gold paracord Type I, and we can start with our today's project. So I'm gonna detach it again, and then from the back side we're gonna pull our gold cord under these two strands, so from the back through, and once more take it by the ends of a cord and pull them together, reattach it, and then return it simply from the back through the middle. As simple as that. So here we are. We have the two working ends of a gold paracord Type I, two working ends of a black paracord Type I, and behind that we have two working ends of a gold paracord 550 and the black one also 550. So we're gonna start. We're gonna take our left side black and pass it from the back through the middle and to the top, and we're gonna do the same with the right side black, so under, from the back through the middle and to the top. Now from here we're gonna take our gold strand and we're gonna pass it under, in between the second and the third core strand, and over these two crossed cords of a black, and from the top through the loop on the right side. We're gonna do the same with the left side gold, so from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the left. Now we're gonna tie it a bit, and here we're gonna take our black paracord and we're gonna pass it around these two. Let me show you a bit more closer. So with the black Paracord Type I, place it on top the middle two black cords, then from the top through, and we're gonna return it from the back also through, but to the right side of this black paracord. Like so. We're gonna do the same with the left one. So around and from the back through the gap between Paracord 550 core strand and the Paracord Type I, as you can see here. Now we're gonna tie this and proceed. From here, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna take our left side black, pass it from the back through the middle, with the right side black also from the back through the middle. Then with the gold strand under the black strands through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the right side. With the left gold also from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the left side. Now from here, we're gonna take our black Paracord Type I and we're gonna pass it on top of, we're gonna place it on top of these two black strands, and then from the top through the middle and to the back. And then we're gonna return it from the back through the middle, but to the left side of our Paracord Type I black, as you can see here, to the left side, and pull it. Now we're gonna do the same with the left side black of Paracord Type I. So from the top through the middle, around, and from the back we're gonna return it to the right side of our left side black strand. So basically, as you can see here, we insert our black Paracord Type I through the middle and return it from the back again through the middle to the inner side of our knot, not to the outer side, as you can see. Now we're gonna take our gold paracord and we're gonna pass it on top of the black Paracord Type I. Again, wrap it around these two core strands of a black. And pass it to the left side. Now with the right side. So around the two crossed black 550 cords, and from the back through. So after the first knot, we're gonna continue. Take the left side black, pass it from the back through the middle, then the right side black from the back also through the middle. Now we're gonna take the gold Paracord 550, pass it under the core strands and to the top. Now from the top through the loop on the right side, with the left side strand from the back through the middle, and then from the top through the loop on the left side. Now here we're gonna take our left side black Paracord Type I and place it on top of the core strands, these crossed core strands, and then around and from the back through the gap to the left side. Now the same. So on top of the core strands through the middle and from the back through the gap and in the middle, like so. From here we're gonna take our, let me just rearrange a bit this here, as you can see. So with the left side gold, we're gonna place it from the top through the middle, and then from the back as well through the middle. And as you can see, this left side gold Paracord Type I is wrapping around these two center black strands, and from the back returning to the right side of this strand, as you can clearly see. Now we're gonna take the right side strand of a gold, again place it into the middle, around, and return it from the back through the middle and to the left side of this gold strand from the right side, as you can see here clearly. Now we're gonna simply cinch this and proceed. I know it seems kind of complicated, but it's actually very easy to make. It's basically the same bracelet. The center of this bracelet is the same as this bracelet I'm wearing today, so you have full tutorial for this one into the cards in the top right corner and the description box down below, so check it out. Now we're gonna cinch this and proceed. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!